Good morning, guys. So my hotel room's down there in the corner. I don't have any. It's 8 a.m. Trying to figure out. Okay, so I go straight under the elevator. I'm gonna go down and check out their breakfast and then figure out what I'm doing. Just gonna check it out. I'm trying to check out the beach, check out things. I'm really burnt out. It looks like a pretty windy day. The breakfast is filled with people. And they're sitting outside, inside. The food selection is pretty massive. There's an omelet station. It looks pretty windy and hot. Okay, so I'm gonna just hurry up. I mean, it is packed in here and it's 8:19. Okay. My hotel, I'm the only Asian person, I swear to God. Everyone else here is Russian. They're either avoiding the war, protesting the war, or loaded and decided to move to Thailand. Oh my God, I'm the only Asian person, I swear. Okay, so behind me is my hotel. I just walked straight up the street. There's a crosswalk right there. There's another spa. Our spa is closed down right now. Probably COVID. There's a 7-Eleven, which is really popular here. Then that's Karon Avenue. So everything's very convenient. I'm headed straight to the beach. Gonna use this crosswalk. No signal on. Okay, so this is, I guess, a little market, little things I can come to get stuff that I need. 5-minute. They're like, oh, for some people it's like a 10-minute walk. Are you serious? It's like a 1-minute walk to the beach. It's ridiculous. People are lazy. Oh my God, they eat so much food. I can't even. This is a roundabout. I'm on the sidewalk. There are the cabana things. Just gotta make sure I don't get run over. Here we are. Here we are. That was so fast. Under the sun. Relatively cool, so that's good. And this is the beach at 8:30, and there are people out. Yesterday when I showed up, it was pretty crowded. Looks good. I don't know if I'll be like here all day. I doubt it. Look, it sure is pretty. That's I'm walking over to the little peninsula thing that's hanging out. I don't know if you can see it out there. Around the other way there, one of the islands behind me. There are this many people out right now, and it's just like a kind of a handful for 3.1 kilometers. Is going to be packed later. So right now is the coolest time of the day. There's a nice breeze coming off the water. The water's a little cool. It's okay. Probably keep coming back here a few times, maybe a few times a day, but today I'm kind of, I mean, it's kind of energizing. I feel a little bit energized being out here because it's cool, but it's only 8:45. It's just gonna, I know the high today is going to be like real feel 102, I think, with possible, well, tomorrow thunderstorm, so it's kind of good to do this in the morning. Although it's the same scenery for you guys. I feel bad, I'm sorry. None of the water toys are out yet to do. So we'll see. It's a different vibe from where I was, let's put it that way. But there are a lot of people looking at the waterfront, little hotels or people laying up. I guess we're kind of used to this being in California too, but these waters are incredible. Let me see if I can get it. crystal clear water. I wish you guys are here with me. Reservoir that's running around here. It's right outside my hotel too. But I guess, look at the water rushed up and there are actual fish. There are crab running all over. It's an overflow. So look at all the fish. Well, I don't know if you can see them, but there are fish jumping. Volleyball court. Cool. This little strange little lagoon for overflow. Excellent. Fish everywhere. It's windy today. Windy. I'll go over this little bridge. I don't know if you can see the little bridge behind. I'll walk over there and cross over. Overflow canals run alongside the walkways. There are, at least here they have sidewalks sort of, although you have to try your luck again to cross the street. So let's see, let me get back up here. And they're cleaning them right now. They're taking bamboo and they're pushing it across the widthwise the canal, and they're taking up all the leaves and everything else. So that's nice. That's good. What they're doing. Kind of freaking out. I was gonna like maybe just chill out by the pool because you have to pay to rent like a chair and stuff there at the beach. And I thought, okay, if I want to do that, but I didn't want to spend a whole day there or even half of a day there. I'm really tired. But it's like a Russian invasion. Literally everyone here is Russian. They're all speaking Russian. Don't know what's going on, but I'm being invaded too, I guess. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, that was kind of poor taste. I didn't mean it. It was a joke. You got me. Gotta get some provisions from the 7-Eleven, like Coke Zero, you know, important things right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm back at my hotel, actually. It's behind me. I just passed it. I'm over here back at Karon Village. Okay, this is easy. It's a stamp. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, I was out there for a few hours. Look at tripping my view today from my room anyway, so I didn't open anything up yet. I went to the 7-Eleven and got what I needed. We'll see what I'm gonna do. I actually have to say I'm pretty tired. This kind of heat just kind of wipes you out. You're taking 4 showers a day, no joke. So we'll see. The TV's not working. I think I might catch up on Netflix. I've got to like figure out what I'm doing because I'm here for such a long time, and really, it's just a local culture type area, unless you go on tours, which nobody's doing, so. Okay guys, I'm just hanging out on my balcony with a cool drink and just taking in the view. It's getting really, really, really hot out. I miss you, and I hope that I see you soon on your shower. Okay.